Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add a QR code to your WordPress site. So let's get right into it. Now, QR codes are images that you can scan with your phone to bring you to a certain link, maybe to a certain file. So I'll be showing you guys how to add one. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over into my site and click edit. And now that we're in the editor, we can start adding images. Now, what we're going to do is click here on the block editor, and then we're going to add an image. So let me just go and search for image. And now we're going to drag that over here. Now, as you can see, we have this image block over here, and you can upload an image, select an image from your gallery, or insert from a URL. But what I'm going to do first is I'm going to copy over the URL of the site and go over into a QR creator, which you can very easily just find on the internet. There's tons of free ones, so just search for the one you think is best. Then just post the link and then give your QR code a name. I'll just name it test. You can add a password if you want to, I won't. And once you click next, at least on this QR code editor, you can get your QR code right over here. And as you can see, I'll just create it like this. And once that's done, we will be able to download our QR code. Now, as you can see, this does require a login, but I'm actually going to log in with Google, and I'm going to select this account, go over there, and now we should be able to download our QR code. So as you can see, you do need to pay, at least for this one. Not sure why I do have to do this, since, well, it does say it's a free one. However, you can just screenshot this, and rather, let me possibly even try to copy the address of this link. And now we're going to try and insert from a URL. So I'm not sure why that's not working. But yeah, as you can see, this can't really work by clicking the link, but you can just insert any image you want. You can upload it from your computer, or you can find a link if you have an image hosting site that you're using. You can just insert it that way. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.